Um, so I'm actually recording this video late at night, very late. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I got some new gadgets for my office and some new books that I want to read, and like my usual way, I usually do unboxing and all of that. So that's what I just decided to do. I was sleeping already, and NEPA just brought lights, and I thought, let me come and make the video. If I say I should make it tomorrow, I have a lot to do tomorrow, so I might not have time to do a proper unboxing video. So this is like an apology in advance. The video is not that fine because I'm sleeping already. So I'll just make a short video just to unbox, just to show you the stuffs I got, and when next I get other things, I'll also keep you guys updated. So let's get into the video. Thank you. So in a previous video, I unboxed a laptop and some marital books that I got. I unboxed them for you, and in this video I got another laptop and more books. So I need as different types of system for the things I do, and I also need to read to develop several areas of my life, and that's why I invest more in gadgets and phones, laptops, books. So in this video we are going to be unboxing my phone. We are going to I shall be showing you my new phone as well, and books and laptop. So let's start with the laptop. This laptop is Core i7, 16 gig RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, 8th generation. What else do you need to know about it? Okay, I ordered everything on Jumia. Everything, the books, the laptop, I ordered it on Jumia. I wanted to get a MacBook before, but then I was like, MacBook take producer. So instead of using the money to get MacBook, when I need to get phone, I need to get laptop, I need to get books. So let me just get what can still do the things that I need to do for now, and later in the future I'll be getting a MacBook. So I settled for this HP instead, and used the remaining on phone and phone and what's it called, and books, right? So yeah, so that's the system. You've seen it, it's beautiful, and let's go ahead and unbox the books that I got on Jumia. So I got these books on Jumia. The first is Power of a Praying Husband, and I got this because I want to be a praying husband. Actually, I'm preparing for marriage because I'll be getting married soon. Yeah, even though I'm still single, I don't have a wife yet. So by the way, I ordered all these, both the book, the system. I ordered everything on February 14th, 2025, and that's what I used as a Valentine gift for myself, since I'm single. So, and there's nobody to send gifts to, so let me just gift myself instead. I got The Believer's Authority by Kenneth Hagin, and I got so you might be wondering, why did I get marital books before marriage? That's because you don't get to the battlefield before you learn how to fight. You learn how to fight before you get into the battlefield, right? So I got Power of a Praying Parent. So my wife and I will read it when we get engaged, even before we get married. Power of a Praying Wife, I got it for my wife. Power of a Praying Woman, I got it for my wife as well. Actually, there are a lot of things inside my house that I've gotten for my wife already. I don't know my wife yet. And in case you are my wife and you are watching this video, you can reach out to me, alright? Your husband is tired of waiting, so you can reach out. Power of a praying parent, power of a praying wife, power of a praying woman. So all those things. And then I got power of a praying husband for myself. Then the believer's authority. Then I got more books. These ones are not from Jumia. I got it from the author himself, Dr. Olumide Emmanuel. By the way, so Professor Emmanuel Akpe already gave me School of Money book in 2021 when I went to visit him in Port Harcourt, something like that. But I lost it in Lagos in 2022 when I was working in Lagos. So I got School of Money, I got Pathway to Wealth, I got How to Build a Career, How to Build Wealth as a Career Person. So those 3 in 1 package is 50k. This year alone, this is just February, I've spent almost 100k on books alone. And well, it's good to invest in several areas of your life. No matter, even if it's one book you can get to start with, get it. Then I've unboxed this iPhone 15 Pro Max before in a different video, so go and watch that video to see the iPhone. Alright, so you've seen the new stuffs I just got, and what else would you like me to get? I think I'm planning to get a proper chair next time, because this is not a proper office chair. This is like a dining chair, so I'm planning to get that and some other things. Then my office will be changing soon. My office will be changing. My office is going to be changing soon. I'm going to be probably moving to a new place. Yeah, so subscribe to my channel. I'll see you another time. Thank you.